UAE celebrates Emirati Women's Day. The United Arab Emirates celebrates the 10th Emirati Women's Day today. This year's theme is Hand in Hand, we celebrate 50 years. The day remembers the creation of the General Women's Union, which has supported women in many areas of life. In recent years, more women in the UAE have entered important roles. Some are government ministers, some are business leaders, and many are teachers or students at universities. The country often presents this progress as part of its plan for growth and modern development. However, change is not always the same for everyone. In some areas, women still face challenges such as balancing family traditions with new opportunities. Even so, Emirati Women's Day is seen as a symbol of hope, pride, and the promise of greater equality in the future.